Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Wondershare UniConverter for Windows. Now it should be noted that this program is available for Mac OS and Windows, but in this tutorial we're just going to be going over the installation process on Windows. If you're a Mac user, be sure to go check out the Mac user guide, which has similar but slightly varied instructions to this. Step 1 is to download the package to be able to install the program. Once you've Googled or searched for Wondershare UniConverter and arrived on the site, you can go ahead and try it for free. And as you can see, it should start downloading automatically. You can enable the download, and once it's complete, we can move on to step 2, which is to launch the installation file. If you get a pop-up that asks you to approve or run, simply hit run, and now we can begin the installation process. Now let's go ahead and click on the install button to begin the process. And automatically the launcher will begin downloading and installing the required files to make Wondershare UniConverter work on your computer. This should only take a few seconds to install, so we'll just wait here for a moment. And once it's complete, you can go ahead and immediately start the program by selecting Start Now or Finish. And then it's going to take you to a web page to let you know the purchase options if you do want to upgrade your license. And at the same time, it should be launching Wondershare UniConverter. And in a few seconds, it should pop up the window, and now you've successfully installed Wondershare UniConverter on Windows.